Increase your current business deductions under tangible property safe harbors. If your business made repairs to tangible property in 2025, such as buildings, equipment, or vehicles, those costs may be fully deductible on your 2025 tax return. However, expenses that qualify as improvements must generally be capitalized and depreciated over time. An improvement occurs if there's a betterment, restoration, or adaptation of the property. Under the betterment test, costs that materially increase productivity, efficiency, strength, or value must be capitalized. Under the restoration test, replacing a major component or substantial structural part typically requires capitalization. Under the adaptation test, costs to convert property to a new or different use must also be capitalized. Fortunately, certain IRS safe harbors allow immediate deductions for routine maintenance and smaller expenditures, subject to specific dollar limits and qualifications. Additionally, some improvements may still qualify for immediate expensing through bonus depreciation or Section 179.
If you want to understand more about effective tax planning strategies, set up an appointment with us today by clicking the link to register in our website.